Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. So today guys, I'm going to retint this lampshade. I did this in red a couple of weeks ago, but honestly I don't think I like the way it looks next to the other glassware that I tinted. I want this to look translucent and it looks sort of solid. I started to remove the color. I sprayed some water inside first and it started to come off, but I wanted to hold back and show you guys what I'm going to do. It's really easy to come off, and all I'm going to do is use a little bit of dishwashing liquid, a little bit of this into a bucket. I'm going to use some warm water and I'm going to soak the lampshade inside. So I put my gloves on just in case there's any dye transfer. And the water is warm and just that little bit of dishwashing liquid, and as you can see the color is starting to come off really by itself. So I'm going to just clean this off, and as you can see everything is starting to come off. Even the outside decorations, those little red discs are going to come off as well. And I'm just going to clean this off and I'm going to retint this today. I'm going to color it blue. So it's clean and it's dry. It looks beautiful just the way it is. So I'm going to use tapered candlestick holder. It's a crystal candlestick holder that was given to me by my good friend. Gave me a set, and so I'm going to use one of them today with this project. And so these are really nice, and she gave this to me for my birthday a few years ago. So together they look really nice. So I'm going to use a little bit of my Tacky gel glue, some water. I'm going to use one of these cups that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this food coloring that I picked up from Amazon. So you guys have asked me about the food coloring. Guys, you can use any food coloring, it doesn't really matter. But this one comes with 12 inside, and these are some of the colors right here. That navy blue is, well, I'm going to use that today. And I just want to quickly show you some of the colors that come inside, and I've used a lot of them already for different projects. So that light blue food coloring, that's the one I used to color this particular lampshade. And you guys, you all love this lampshade. This got a lot of abuse very quickly, so I know you must like that one a lot. I'm going to use a tablespoon of glue and about a capful of water, and I'm going to blend it until it's nice and smooth. So after that, I am going to use both shades of blue today. Hopefully I'm creating a unique color. So I'm going to start with just a little bit of the lighter shade blue. I'm going to scrape a little bit from the top of the nozzle, and I'm just going to blend that in. And as you can see, like I said, you don't need a lot of food coloring to tint the water and glue mixture at all. So now I'm going to add about 1 drop of the darker navy blue. I'm going to blend it well, make sure that it's nice and blended. And then I'm going to get started. So with a damp paintbrush, that's just water in the purple cup, I'm just going to start painting the inside. I'm going to start at the bottom and pull the color towards the top edge. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to do that until I complete the inside. After I finish the first coating, I'm going to let this dry for about 4 hours. After 4 hours have passed, I'm going to come back and repeat the process. So I'm making sure that I get the bottom as well. I want the complete lamp to be tinted. And I'm just smoothing it out and just covering up any streaks that I may have created or any areas that I may have missed. This is the first coating, and I'm going to set that off to the side. Let it start to dry for 4 hours. And I'm going to use a piece of plastic just to cover the rest of the glue. I don't want that to start to get thick. So 4 hours have gone by, and so now I'm going to take the plastic off of the glue mixture, and I'm going to start to repeat the process. So I see the glue looks a little bit thick, so I'm going to add just a few drops of water, just a couple of drops of water, and I'm going to blend it out. And now I'm going to repeat the process. Repeating the process will make the vase look a little bit deeper in color, and it also will give you the opportunity to blend out any streaks or to cover any of the areas that you may have missed. I'm going to set that off to the side and let it completely dry. So now I'm going to take my candlestick holder and I'm going to clean it off with a little bit of alcohol. I'm going to clean it off in the areas where I'm going to apply some adhesive diamond wrap. So this is the self-adhesive diamond wrap that I'm going to use, and I picked this up from Amazon. So now I'm going to use a little bit of my Aleene's mixed media. This is my permanent adhesive. I'm going to add some around the perimeter of the candlestick holder. This is going to prevent the lampshade from slipping once it's placed on top of the candlestick holder. I'm going to let it dry overnight. So it's been about 24 hours, guys, and this is what it looks like. It's completely dry. It looks really beautiful, and it's translucent, and it's got a nice tint to it. So I'm just going to clean off the outer perimeter and add a little bit of that diamond adhesive wrap. So I'm going to use some bright fairy lights today. I'm going to use the color blue. It comes 6 packages in a box, and it comes with a screwdriver so that you can change the batteries out when the batteries are done. And at the base there's always a small piece of plastic to remove, so don't forget to remove that or your batteries won't work. And so that little black switch is your on and off switch. So these fairy lights are on a wire, so you can shape the wire any way you like. So I'm just going to gather them all up and put them inside the lampshade, and then I'm going to sit it on top of the candlestick holder. And that's it, guys. That's the project. Guys, I absolutely love the way this looks. I love the fact that it's translucent, and that's most important for me, for the glass to be tinted but still be see-through. And I absolutely love this. So let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I do appreciate it. So you stay well, you stay safe, and you stay blessed, and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.